In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the exterior door handles on the Hyundai Lafesta. The removal process is exactly the same for all four doors, so I'll demonstrate it on this door, and you can use the same method for the remaining handles. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the door. Here, you'll find a small plastic cover that needs to be removed. I recommend using a plastic trim removal tool or any non-metal pry tool. This will help you avoid scratching the paint or damaging the door while removing the cover. Once the cover is removed, you'll see a 10mm retaining bolt inside the opening. Using a 10mm socket with a ratchet, begin loosening the bolt. One important thing to remember is that this bolt does not come all the way out. Simply keep turning it until it reaches the end of its travel, then leave it in place. There is no need to remove it from the door. After the bolt has been fully loosened, you're ready to remove the door handle. Watch closely how it's done. Simply pull the door handle toward yourself and it will easily release from its mounting point. As you can see, the handle is designed with a simple locking mechanism, so once the retaining bolt is loose, the handle comes off without much effort. Now let's reinstall it. To install the handle, insert the front side into its mounting position first. Once the front is seated correctly, align the rear section and gently pull the handle outward while pressing it into place. You'll feel it lock back into its original position. The final step is to tighten the same 10mm retaining bolt that we loosened earlier. Once it's secure, reinstall the plastic cover, making sure it snaps back into place. And that's it. As you can see, removing and reinstalling the exterior door handles on the Hyundai Lafesta is a very simple job that only takes a few minutes and requires just basic tools.